Hi, David Gates, Waterline Boats, Port Townsend, Washington. In this video, we will be exploring the exterior of this 1986 J-Boat J-28 electric sloop cruiser. Walking along the port side of this J-28, the exterior seems to be clean and in good condition. Coming aboard the port side of the boat is easy with generous access to the deck. Coming around the aft of the boat, we could see the helm station, helm wheel, and compass. Moving forward from the helm to the starboard side of the cabin, we could see the wind, speed, and depth gauges. You can notice the two variant winches, one starboard, one port, and then two more just under the Dodger with the running rigging. Going back port side, you'll notice the Lazarus locker with ample space for storage. Further aft is a forward and reverse control next to a Raymarine autopilot display. Coming to the starboard side, another locker with a West Marine Pro Sport battery charger and ample space for storage. Coming up to the starboard side deck, you'll first notice the shore power connection, stations, side rail, and a good amount of room to walk forward to the bow. Coming up to the forward deck, you'll notice the anchor chain, and roller furling. Looking back to the stern, we could see the base of the mast, moving up, the boom, the sail, spreaders, and top of sail. Moving stern along the port deck, you can see the multiple hatches and fans coming across a Dodger. And back towards the stern of the boat, we could see a swim step. Panning from the aft deck to the top of the mast gives us a good view of the rigging and the boom. Thank you for taking the time to view my video. Should you have any questions, please give me a call. David Gates, 714-658-4390, or email me at davidgates@waterlineboats.com. Thank you.